Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize cybersecurity incident simulations with Cyberbit detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the importance of cybersecurity incident simulations. These simulations help organizations prepare for potential threats. Identify the specific goals you want to achieve through the simulation. Choose the right scenarios that reflect your organization's risks. Utilize Cyberbit's platform for its extensive library of realistic scenarios. Set up your environment by ensuring all necessary hardware and software are in place. Involve all relevant stakeholders from IT, security, and management teams. Establish a timeline for your simulation sessions. Design a communication plan to keep everyone informed during the process. Prepare your team by providing training on using Cyberbit's tools. Conduct a dry run to test the system and identify potential issues. Launch the simulation, creating an immersive experience for participants. Monitor the simulation closely to gather real-time data and insights. Encourage participants to actively engage and respond as they would during a real incident. After the simulation, hold a debriefing session to discuss performance and outcomes. Collect feedback from all participants to identify areas for improvement. Analyze the data collected during the simulation to measure effectiveness. Update your incident response plan based on insights gained. Plan regular simulations to continuously enhance your team's readiness. Utilize Cyberbit's analytics to track progress over time. Engage with your team on a continuous learning path to reinforce skills. Revisit your goals and scenarios to ensure they remain relevant. Incorporate lessons learned into ongoing training programs. Maintain communication with industry professionals to stay updated on best practices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.